Okay, so here is a review on this new wave cooker, and I have some tomato basil chicken sausage inside. I had it on 350, but I think that was a little bit too high, so I just turned it down to 325, and it seems to be cooking evenly. I had it in there for about 4 minutes so far. So it's easy to use. At first, I'm like, what is this spaceship? But it's really easy to use. This whole dome comes off. It's almost like a cake, a cake dome. You lift it off. There is a little wire rack right there that you can put the top on to add the food. I did add this little parchment liner. Make sure that you have food on it before you put the liner in. And so far these are cooking really well. They smell really good. I'm gonna flip them over in a couple of minutes, but so far I like it because it's easy to use. It has 100 different menu options, like for hot dogs, for eggs, for a duck, a chicken. So you just touch the menu and press the number, and the book is included. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. So these are the quick meals, the menus. You just touch menu and then the number, or you could just, hit start and put the temperature and time that you want. So very easy. The other thing that I like is that it doesn't make my place as hot as my air fryer. It doesn't put off much heat as I have a large air fryer, so I like it because it doesn't put off much heat. I like it also because it seems to be cooking well. I need to flip it like right now. But so far so good.